Hey, it's Joe Wellness Coach from StayFitAnywhere, and today I want to show you busy dads a bite-sized workout for your core. So it's going to be plank related, everything's going to be plank, so I'm going to show you 3 different exercises you can put together into one and get that done quickly. So there you have it. That's 3 exercises, all plank related, helping core stability, core strength, right? And that's going to help anything with your back, your hips, stabilizing through your shoulders to your toes. So that's great exercises. All you busy dads and other busy people, try that out. It's short, quick, done anywhere and anytime.